so I'm going to cut these to 14 inches. .38.5 inches wide. I made it 18 inches tall instead of 16. And I like the size. Okay, so I'm only going to glue one end because I want the other end to be free. And you'll see that later. The frame is going to slide down. Alright, so the frame is all clamped up and now I've glued on the back, which will give it some more strength. And then we'll continue tomorrow on the slides. Okay, so I just cut these two rail supports. This is 1 inch by 1.5 inches by 14 inches. And I'm going to install these on the sides here. And I'm going to put a groove in. I'm going to cut a groove right down the middle. Alright, here are the sliders. This is the groove I just cut out. And you see these sliders I put in actually work perfectly. Now these are from when I built my train coffee table. They're leftover pieces. I've used them on other projects. I had 90 of these from cutting all the slats. And these just happen to make perfect drawer slides. Okay, so I'm going to clamp this together and then I'm going to install these runners or glides. Okay, so I'm just going to apply a few little drops of glue and then I'm going to apply glue on the bottom here and flip it over, clamp it in place, and then those runners will be exactly how they should be installed. And this frame piece will also be glued exactly where it should be. Just a little dab so it stays in place. Alright, we'll let that dry. And then we'll unclamp it in a couple hours and see how it works out. The last part of building my frame is to build the inner frame that's going to hold the glass. So I got 4 pieces. I got the 2 long pieces, front and back, and then I have the 2 short pieces. And I need to cut the 2 short pieces to length. Alright, so I'm going to cut these pieces now, and then I'm going to cut a a groove or a dado to accept the glass. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install a French cleat. So you can see this is only a 1/4 inch plywood and I cut it at a 45-degree angle. Okay, so this first piece will be glued to the back. And this piece you would screw to the wall. Okay, so this is the finished product and this is what I built. I have a top frame and a bottom frame and they slide together. So when I want to remove the top, or when I want to get inside of this with the glass in front, I just simply pull up and this will come off.